Ciao amici, benvenuti in questo nuovo video. Today, key lesson for your Italian journey. This lesson is for beginners starting to interact with other people. Why do I say that? Clear, watch the video until the end to find it out. Sigla!
In today's video, we're going to be looking at the question words in Italian. They're very important for your conversation in Italian. If you want to ask for directions, if you want to have a small talk with somebody in Italian, these are very useful. Make sure you learn them.
I want to give you a tip based on my experience. Getting comfortable with question words will also help you to pretend that you are understanding the other person. The other person maybe is talking to you like bla 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 bla, domani vado a mangiare una pizza, non so che cosa ho fatto ieri, ero con questo mio amico, chissà che cosa farò domani. And then you will just look at him and say, perché? You can basically use the question words to make the other person feel that you have understood him and you want to go deeper into what he said. Let's learn the question words in Italian.
First question word is dove. Where?
Where?
Dove sei? Dov'è la gelateria? Dov'è la pizzeria?
Tu pensi sempre alla pizza comunque, eh?
Certo.
O ai gelati? Assurdo.
If you get lost in Italy, dove is definitely an essential question word to get by. Mi scusi, saprebbe dirmi dov'è questo hotel? Mi scusi, saprebbe dirmi dov'è il Duomo? And once you are in Duomo, then you can definitely find your way back to your hotel, for example.
Very good! Now that you have learned how to say where is it in Italian, you learned it, right?
Dove?
Good. We are ready to go to the second question word, which is Quando. Quando is when in English, and it's used, guess what? Exactly in the same context that you would use it in English. Right? You use quando when you want to know when something is happening.
To ask the time, for example.
Right. Let's see a few examples with quando. First example is Quando ci vediamo? When are we meeting?
Quando inizia la partita di calcio? This is very important for boys. When does the football match start? Third question word is come. How? We use come in many contexts. One of those is asking for direction, as well as dove, as we've seen before. Ad esempio, come arrivo al Duomo? How do I get to the Duomo? Another context in which you could use come is another way of saying why. Come mai? It's how come. Then of course we have come va, come stai, how are you?
The fourth question word you must learn in Italian is quale. Quale in English is which. Let's see a few examples with quale or qual. Qual è il tuo colore preferito? Which is your favorite color? Quale is very important when you meet somebody for the first time and you want to get to know him. You can use it to understand more things about the other person. Qual è il tuo sport preferito? Which is your favorite sport?
You can also use quale as an alternative to asking what is your name. So come ti chiami? You could say qual è il tuo nome. A very common mistake also Italian people make is putting the apostrophe after qual in the expression qual è. Fifth question word is cosa. What? Cosa fai? What are you doing? Cosa ti piace fare? What do you like to do? Cosa mangi? what are you eating? If you're a tourist in Italy, if you just began your trip in Italy, then you can use cosa to ask for attractions. Cosa c'è da visitare? What attractions can I visit?
Sixth question word in Italian is chi, which in English would be who. You can use chi in examples like chi sei tu? Who are you?
I'm the policeman. You are under arrest.
It was not me.
Yes, it was you.
Non sono stato io.
E chi è stato?
Chi è stato? Who was it? Per colpa di chi. Stanotte voglio stare acceso e dire sempre di sì.
Per colpa di chi. I'm a Gucci man, Gucci man, yeah!
Last but not least, perché?
Perché?
Why?
Why?
Perché lo stai facendo? Why are you doing that? If you are on your trip in Italy, you can use this to ask for curiosity. Perché il Colosseo è rovinato?
Who knows?
Why is the Colosseum damaged? And of course, this is a question word that is very common in your everyday life. Perché vai lì? Why are you going there? In English, we use why in the questions and because in the answers. In Italian, we use perché in both of them. Perché vai lì? Perché devo comprare delle scarpe. Why are you going there? Because I need to buy some shoes. Okay? That was all from us for today. Give us a huge thumbs up if you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hopefully we will see you very soon in the next video.
Ciao!